With Google's new Opal AI, a single project manager can now automate core operational workflows that used to require constant manual oversight. Google Opal is an experimental platform from Google Labs. You simply type in plain English, and it automatically constructs a multi-step AI application tailored to your specific process. Instead of wrestling with standard chatbots that break down on complex tasks, you get a visual, automated pipeline without writing a single line of code. We are about to build an automation that actively searches the web and writes your reports. If you want to scale your operations effortlessly, hit subscribe, drop a like, and let me know in the comments what task you need to automate first. Standard AI tools often lose track of instructions or hallucinate data when you hand them a dense, multi-step project. To solve this, Opal utilizes a classic system design model known as the IPO framework. This chart breaks down the 3 strict stages: input for your raw data, process for the operations performed on that data, and output for the final result. By organizing AI into this precise architecture, Opal avoids the high failure rate of simple text prompts. You just describe what you want to build, and it segments the task into manageable, visual nodes. Let's put this into practice by building a standard piece of project management, a weekly status report generator. I pasted a detailed description of my reporting pipeline into Opal, and it built this 5-node automated workflow on its own. Step 1 is this yellow user input node. This is where we drop in our raw project updates for the week. From there, the data flows into the first processing phase. Opal creates a project analyst persona to carefully parse through the raw input. Next, the data moves into a generate node, powered by Google's Gemini Flash model, which synthesizes the parsed information into strategic insights. Opal is smart enough to grab the outputs from both the analysis and insight nodes, chaining them together for the final stage. For the result, it generates a structured HTML web page containing the complete status update. You can take this HTML file and host it on a site like static.run, allowing you to automate your team's reporting communications instantly. Opal also features agentic functionality, meaning its AI nodes can reach out to the web to actively gather external information. While most tools are limited to their training data, Opal can browse the web, check Google Maps, and pull real-time weather conditions for your projects. For our second project, I built a team allocation optimizer designed to handle heavy project demand data and specific scheduling constraints. Instead of a web page, I instructed Opal to process those calculations and output the results as a Google Slides presentation. Warning tone. Now, while Opal's data gathering and reasoning are robust, its visual design for slides is often poor. If you present those raw slides directly to leadership, they won't meet professional standards. This slide mockup shows the typical point to failure, an unformatted presentation full of disorganized data that is unready for leadership. We fix this by executing the Gamma hack. We download that raw presentation file from Helpful and upload it into Gamma, a specialized design AI. Gamma features a tool that generates designs from pre-existing content. We simply upload the Opal data and apply a clean line art theme. In seconds, we go from raw text data to a razor-sharp, branded slide deck that's ready for a boardroom. This workflow demonstrates that while no single software does it all, chaining their distinct strengths allows you to cover their individual weaknesses. By successfully building these 2 pipelines, we've shown how to bridge the gap between complex data processing and professional communication. Our analysis suggests the biggest mistake early adopters make is practicing AI monogamy, the expectation that one tool should handle every part of the process. The more effective approach is the Blazing Zebra way, which involves chaining specialized software tools together into a unified system. Opal handles the heavy data lifting and agentic searching, while Gamma provides the aesthetic polish. Together, they create an end-to-end pipeline that neither app could achieve on its own. You just built a sophisticated operations pipeline out of pixels and prompts. Start chaining your workflows, and I'll see you in the next video.